So today we'll see how we can do circular array using spin tool. So let's add an object, Shift A, mesh. Let's add a UV sphere. So the idea is to do a circular array in circular fashion of this UV sphere. So the center point for today, we will use 3D cursor as a center point. So let's move the object to the side, press G, then Y. Let's move it to this side. Okay, so now we're in object mode. Let's go to the edit mode using tab, and let's find the spin tool. Okay, here is the spin tool. Click on it, and then it will become like this. Let's put the cursor here. So it shows the motion of the array that we are going to use now. Okay, let's click on it and press left click and move your cursor in this direction. As you can see, the array is being formed in a circular fashion. Now we have an array. So here is a spin tool down here at the bottom. Click on it, and there are some parameters that we can vary. The most critical is the angle. If you want a perfect circle, you can use 360 degree, and it will be like a perfect circle like this one. And the number of arrays in this case is 12. You can use any number you want. Let's put 8 like this one. So you can vary as much as you want, and you can vary the angle. 90-degree angle looks like this one. 180 and 360. Okay, so to finish the process, you can go back to the object mode, press tab, and then now it's done. You have an array of circular UV spheres in this fashion. You can view it from top view. So that's it for today. If you like to get more tips on Blender techniques, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye bye.